Guys, I know that we were just talking about this. There was an article out of Inman talking about AI, how real estate agents are drowning in AI. They don't know how. They're not saving time that they thought they would save, and I'm thinking, then you're not doing it right, because the main thing is they've not done what we've done in SAM and built the infrastructure to hold the content properly. If you're just using AI to build one-off, property descriptions and this and that, you're still taking time to do it, and you're still taking time to give it enough information for it to build good enough information to use, and then you're still having to edit it some. Well, at least with SAM, we're housing that information, and we're able to take that information to build out the content without you having to spend so much time doing it yourself. You should not be drowning in it. You should be able to use it to your benefit and make it work for you.